Trimming the lawn can be a tedious task. Why not free up valuable time to enjoy life's pleasures? Introducing Anthbot, your lawn's personal landscaper. Experience effortless lawn maintenance with the one-button mapping feature. It achieves real-time, high-precision positioning and automatic map construction via the app. Our patented C-TOF technology enables an unparalleled mowing experience with its instantaneous, high-precision capabilities. It provides precise position data for autonomous navigation and pre-programmed mowing paths, ensuring fast mowing. With a 1,300 square foot single endurance mowing area and 70-minute battery life, Anthbot is capable of mowing large-size lawns. C-TOF technology can easily locate broken points of wire, significantly reducing maintenance costs and giving you an impeccable lawn with every use. Maximize the effectiveness of your lawn care by dividing your lawn into zones for mowing. The motor will automatically adjust when mowing on uneven ground or encountering an obstacle, ensuring the machine's survival. Intelligent rain sensors analyze weather patterns and send Anthbot back to the charging base when it rains, preventing compaction and keeping your lawn in pristine condition. Anthbot's automatic resume feature allows the mower to pick up where it left off after charging. With a high waterproof level of IPX6, simply spray down with your garden hose. Get your Anthbot robotic lawn mower today and enjoy a perfectly manicured lawn without the hassle.